It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time I danced under the rain. So it's actually raining this morning, and I feel like sleepy. I just feel like dancing. I remember back in the days in the village, if you didn't come out to sleep around, you don't miss. I will not fall down. I'm a very strong person, so I won't fall down.
So must you be in the rain this morning?
Must I be in the rain?
Yes, must you be in the rain?
Yes, now.
I'm feeling cold already.
I won't catch cold. Who is talking inside? Who is talking inside?
Mommy now.
My mom.
Yeah.
Guys, my mom is. Oh, dancer! Dancing.
I'm gonna try and sweep your enemies away, please.
I'm sweeping my enemies away.
Sweep them.
Enemies.
Negativity, sweep
Enemies
it
from the
away.
east, I sweep you away. Enemy from the south, I sweep you away. Enemy from the west, I sweep you away. Enemy from the north. Woo!
And so,
Hey! Oh my! I feel good. What is it? Eh? What happened? What happened? Is it your problem?
Yes.
Is it your problem?
Yes.
Come, let's sleep together. Hey!